Hi, good morning everyone. Today, right, market is still retraced after they tried to rebound at the end of the day yesterday. Let me show you something, right? This is how we call this is a bullet trap that many people don't understand. If they didn't learn about ARTT or they didn't learn about Heads of Gangster, because right, Heads of Gangster is located at third floor. That means any rebound, right, is not significant until they cannot wash and rinse. That means this is a bullet trap for newbie. That means after you follow this candlestick, that means this morning you already lost money. This is a problem. Now, right, I just want to apply ARTT version 2 that help me to identify the target price for retrace, because now, right, market is retrace. We apply this because we want to estimate. If you are not ARTT member, maybe you apply Fibonacci retracement to predict or estimate what price market should retrace. But to apply this kind of knowledge, we already found that this is still have a lot of error. We try to apply many ways to apply Fibonacci retracement to give us a more accurate for to identify or to predict price retracement, but we still found is still not good enough to apply. That means we now RTT member, right, we didn't suggest our member to apply Fibonacci retracement anymore. That we develop for the ARTT version to help us to predict what happened, because ARTT version 2, right, is a model that help us to adjust based on market is dynamic. If market is dynamic, that means if market change price action or change price target for retracement, we can catch up with in time. Yes. And also many people ask me yesterday, Sifu, why you still buy a new one camera again? Yes, maybe because of now, right, after we become trader, full-time trader for a long time, right, we still have time to do many things that we want. I just want to let you know, right, when I study in the third year in the secondary school, second year or third year in secondary school, I'm really interested to join like a camera club. After I joined, I learned about how to take photo with the film camera. On that time, right, we do the whole process about film camera. We go to mix the chemical to what they call mix the developer chemical to make the film. Yes, remove film on the package. After that, after we finish take photo, we do everything on the whole process. I found that I really like this job, but on that time, right, this job is like I cannot make money. I'm not sure why, because when we spend a lot of money to buy film, right, and go to shop to photo lab to get the picture is quite expensive. That means on that time we don't have money. Now, right, I still have a lot of time to do my hobby. That means I really like my job about trading. Many people ask me, right, how to develop ourselves to become a good trader, understand trading that protect us from the risky. I just let you know, right, to become good trader, you need to practice for a few times. I can mention that a long time, yes, but you need to coaching yourself, you need to develop yourself to become what they call to get the right experience in the market. That means it's not easy, same as many people try to give you To apply many system trade is good, but it's just temporary, because if you don't know how to adjust your robot, if you don't know how to adjust your systematic trading, that means you cannot, maybe you can get money for the first time, after that you lost it again and again. This is the problem. And one thing that I like my job is I can spend my time to learn many things, because now I have no boss. I work because I like it. I work because I want to do it. That's all. Nobody can control me. Hey Titi, you need to do this, you need to do that. I said no. I do what I want to do. If I work hard because I really want to work hard. This is my lifestyle after 35 years old that I retirement for my job. Yes, something like that. Now, right, for FBMKL, we just apply ARTT version 2. Yes, if you don't understand what I mentioned, if you don't understand the what they call the definition of ARTT version 2, that means it's difficult for you to apply, but you must know, right? Trading with bribe is really risky, okay? Because after we catch up heads of gangster at third floor at the top, right, in 15-minute chart, we already noticed your market have chance to retrace. And this is our, if I'm not wrong, right? This is stop loss point, and we move to here, if I'm not wrong, because I'm trading many market. Maybe sometime we already blur what we do in the past. Yeah, it's difficult to refer, but when we look at chart, right, we already know how do I want to action. Now we just wait for art member, right? Maybe the bad thing, right? The bad thing, maybe FBMKL have chance to retrace and in 61.8 if you apply Fibonacci retracement. But if you apply ARTT version 2, that means they have chance to retrace in zone 3. Okay, but we hope they may not retrace in zone 3, because if people still hold long position, it's very risky for you to lose opportunity from this to this. It's around 30 point. 30 point is really important. Yes. I want to change time frame maybe to 1 hour, because I want to check this chart is healthy or not. Every time, right, when I change time frame, I found that some software already change angle, but this still good. This is we call they have chance to, if we read or read 1 hour chart, right, we already saw this is fake strong trend. If you apply Fibonacci, that means if you hold short and market didn't change price movement, that means you have chance to earn more. But if market change, you have chance to earn less. But this just tell you, right, market have chance to retrace lower than 1,730. If market not change, okay, if market change, you need to apply or change your strategy in time. This is my suggestion. Every time when I analyze and give you information, you must know, right, the information can change every time. Don't try to remember what I do, but I just want to let you know, you must try, right, how to solve the problem by yourself. Because when I give you comment at the morning, right, we comment you based on information that I have. If time pass around 1 or 2 hours or 1 day or 1 week, if information already change, we change. Okay, this is market. You cannot remember, oh, Sifu said we must buy because market is strong. Not like that. If you do like that, I guarantee you will lose a lot of money. Because I saw many people, right, cannot survive in the market because they cannot change strategy in time. They still like people that maybe they really believe, they don't have knowledge, but they believe in what they call their own Sifu comment, but they didn't forget, right? When Sifu comment, right, Sifu already based on information. just that information Sifu get. If information change, if that data change, Sifu already jump out, but you stay in the market. This is something wrong. Okay. Hope you understand trading. I'm trying to coaching you every day as much as I can, because I want all of you include focus on our art member, or if you didn't art member, you still can learn some idea, some trading idea from me, because I believe that I willing to share the idea. But you must understand, right? This market is not easy to trade. If you jump in to a future market, you have chance to lose, I think 50-50. If you trade consistency, trade more than 3 months, yeah, maybe sometimes you can earn some money, but after market change and it didn't follow the morning comment, you need to have knowledge. Knowledge will help you, will guide you to change your strategy in time. This is my suggestion. If you don't have any knowledge, if you don't know how to solve problem, I suggest you don't trade in this market. Okay, thank you very much. See you next round. And on this weekend, right, on Saturday, Sunday, I have talk in KL. Okay, if you want to join, right, maybe you need to make your effort to find what is the location. If you can find location, that means you are a good trader. That means you have skill to become trader, because trader, right, must have skill to find the information. Yeah, if you cannot find just like this simple information, I think it's waste time for you to learn trading, because nobody cannot fit fish in your mouth every time. Thank you very much. See you on this weekend, and hope you understand trading. And yes, bye bye.